Hello students, now today we are going to solve exercise number 12a, question number 6. Here we have to find out the time. Okay, now principal is equal to rupees 6400. SI means simple interest is rupees 1152 and rate of interest is 6% per annum. Okay, now write the formula of SI. SI is equal to P into R into T upon 100. RP is 6400. R is 6% upon 100 and T is not given to us. Means we have to find out the time of the particular question. Then SI is 1152. Now we are going to transfer this T on this side and this SI is on this side. So T is equal to, जो डिनोमिनेटर में है वो न्यूमरेटर में चला जाएगा, जो न्यूमरेटर्स में नंबर्स है वो डिनोमिनेटर में आ जाएंगे. So 1152 multiplied by this 100 is on denominator. So write this 100 is as a numerator and 6400 write as a denominator. 6400 multiply this 6 is also write on the denominator. So now I am going to reduce this number. These two zeros are cancelled with this two zero. Now 64 and 1152, they both numbers are divided by the 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 1 2 7s are 14, again 1 2 6s are 12. Now again I am going to reduce this. 6 1s are 6, 6 9s are 54, then we'll get 3 here, 6 6 are 36. Now again I am going to reduce this. 31, 32 1s are 32, 32 3s are 96. So time is equal to 3 years. 3 years is the time. Here is the same question. Question number 7. Principal is equal to rupees 9540. SI means simple interest is given rupees 1908 and rate of interest is 8% per annum. So write the formula of SI. SI is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Now tell me SI is equal to, yes, 1908 is the SI. P is equal to 9540 is the P and rate of interest is 8 upon 100 and T. Now I am going to transfer this T on this side. So T 1908 multiplied by 100 and this 2 I am going to write downside as a denominator 8. Okay. Now again I am going to reduce this 1 0 cancel with this 1 0. 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, 1 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. So 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. This 954 cancel with this 954. So our answer is 5 upon 2 is the answer. So again I am going to write this answer as 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Means 2 whole 1 upon 2 years is the answer. Means time is equal to 2 1 upon 2 years is the time. Question number 8. Principal is rupees 5000. Amount rupees 6450 and rate is equal to 12% per annum. Here we have to find out the first interest. Okay, so write A is equal to P plus I. A is already given, means amount is 6,450. 6,450 is the amount. Principal is 5,000 rupees. Okay, and I is not given, so we have to find out the I. So I, this side 6,450 minus 5,000. So we'll get I is 1450 is the rate of interest. So I'm going to write SI is equal to P into R into T. So how many SI? SI is 1450. P into R into T. P is 5,000. R is 12%, and we have to find out the time. So again T, I am going to write this side 1450 multiplied by 100 upon 5,000 multiplied by 12. So these two zeros are cancelled with these two zero. Again 5, this 1 0 is cancelled with this 1 0. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, here 4, 5 9s are 45, means 29 upon 12. So this, as we can write as a 12 2s are 24, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, means 5. 12 2s are 24, 24 plus 5 is equal to 29. Means, as we can write this, means 5 is the month and 12 is the 12 months in a year. Means 2 years, 5 months is the time. Number 9, principal is equal to rupees 8,250. SI is equal to rupees 1,100 and time is equal to 2 years. So we have to find out the time. So write the formula of SI. SI is equal to P into R into T upon 100. So again SI is 1100, principal is 8,250 and R is given, sorry, here we have to find out the rate of interest. They have given us time as a 2 years. So write R as it is upon 100 and time is 2 years. Okay. Now take R this side. R 1100 multiplied by 100 upon 8250 multiplied by 2. This 10 is cancelled with this 10. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Now 5, these two numbers are divided with the 5. 5 1s are 5, 4, 5 6s are 5 6. We are going to divide 825 by 5. So 5 1s are 5, 3, 5 6s are 30, again 2, 5 5s are 25, means 165. Again I am going to reduce this. 5 2s are 10, 1, 5 2s are 10 and again 0. Now this 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15, 11 3s are 33, 11 2s are 22 and 0, means R is equal to 20 upon 3. As we can write this as 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 2 is 20. 20% is the rate of interest. Question number 10. Principal is equal to rupees 5,200. SI is equal to rupees 975 and time is given 2. 1 upon 2 years is the time. So here we have to find out the rate of the interest. So write the formula of SI. SI is equal to P into R into T upon 100. SI is 975 is the SI. P is 5200 is the P, and we have to find out the rate of interest. So write R upon 100 as it is. Time is given 2 whole 1 upon 2. So we are going to convert this. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 5 upon 2 years is the time. So write 5 upon 2. So again take this R this side. R 975 multiplied by 10 and multiplied by 2 upon 5200 multiplied by 5. So these two zeros are cancelled, these two zeros are cancelled. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 4 5 5 nines are 45, 3 5 5s are 2 here, 5 5s are 25. So again I am going to reduce this by now 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 2 2 6 are 12. Now 195 and 26. 195 upon 26. I am going to reduce these two number by 13. 13 2s are 26. 13 195. 13 ones are 13. Here 6. 13 5s are 65. Means 13 and here 15. Means R is equal to 15 upon 2. As we can write this, 2 7s are 14, 14 plus 1. So R is equal to 7, 1 upon 2 is the percentage is the R.